Hi everybody, welcome. I'm Professor Shanky, and this video is on So we talked a little bit earlier that I can use the built-in headers. So leadership roles here is a heading 1. I want to go in here, I'm going to add another heading, and this will be research. And I'm going to make this one a heading 2. And I'm going to come down here and make another one. This will be leadership roles. And these are just section headings. And maybe I'll do cohesion, highlighting that, heading 2. And then I'm going to come down here. So I want to put a header in front of this chart. And you would think that I could grab the chart as a whole and move it, but I can't because I have this set here as layout in line with text, and because there's no text I can't really do that. So I have two choices. One is I can add some text in front of it. How do I do that? If I look way down here in the corner, there's a little blinking insertion point. That's where I am now. I want to hit the left arrow key or the home button on my keyboard, and when I do that, it moves over here. So now, remember we talked about earlier with positioning, it's going to go in line with the text. So if I start typing hello, so I moved the insertion point in front of the picture so my text goes in front of it. So let me get rid of hello. The other thing that I could have done is coming back in here, changing my layout. Instead of putting it in line with text, I could put it maybe square and fix it on the page. So that way, it's going to actually move the whole thing. So that's two ways. It's probably better to fix it on the page when you're closer to the final format of your document. If you have it move with the text and you add things up above, it can get out of sync. So I don't really like to fix it on a page until I know I'm almost done. I'm not going to be adding more text. But anyway, I moved it up here, so now I'm going to come back to the beginning. So I want to add my header for this. So this is just going to be info graphics. I'm going to make this a heading. And these will be my hypotheses. And that will also be heading 1. So now I have my headers. I have two layers, heading 1s and heading 2. I'm going to show you how to put a table of contents in. So to do that, I need to go to the very top page, and you'll notice leadership roles is the top. I'm going to hit the home button to make sure I'm in the far left, and I need to insert a new page. So I'm going to go to insert and hit blank page. It's going to copy where I was, so it's going to make this first layer heading 1, and I'm just going to change that. I don't want that to be heading 1. It's going to be a normal blank page. And I do the table of contents creation from the reference section. So up top I click on references, and I have in the first section here table of contents. Watch how easy this is. I just have to click table of contents, select what type. I have built in a couple different styles. I'm just going to do the automatic table 1, hit OK, and there it is. It automatically puts my H1 or my heading level 1s are on the first, left indent, and then all my H2s have maybe like a half a tab indent, and it creates my table of contents automatically. And these will change. So if I come here and maybe I insert a new page here, so I'm going to go ahead and insert page break. So now I have added a blank page in there. My numbering is going to remain the same up here until I do what's called an update field. So two ways. I can right click on it, and in this little pop-up menu I can do update field, and I hit update field, and I want to do either the entire table if you made changes, or if you just change the page layout, I can just do update page numbers only. So I'm going to hit that, hit OK, and now you can see this last page here jumped to 7. So make sure when you're working with these that you always update your tables. So whenever you're working with tables and the built-in table of content, if you ever make any changes and before you do the final version, just make sure you come in here and you either update table, right-click update table, or go to your reference sections and update table. Just make sure, there's 3 ways, but just make sure you update that table to ensure you have the proper line numbers. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. I'm Professor Shanky, and I'll see you next time.